Hello everyone. So this is my project that I created at spare time. It's on a GitHub here. Here is the link, and it's Airflow ETL, and DMK stands for my initials. So here, so what's this project about? So this project is about bringing data into uh, database from various data sources, and it's using so that's ETL, that's the definition of ETL, and it's using Airflow. It's a program that software that helps orchestrate uh, and manage jobs from efficiently. And so I use this. So my project consists is from these components. So it's written. So it's Apache Airflow. So the extract layer is written in Python. SQL Server is the final destination. So I use SQL Server because I know it. I knew it best. And so I installed Apache Airflow in Docker, and also have installed Kafka as one of the streaming data sources to just do proof of concept as a proof of concept. So the project architecture is here. So it's in it shows the various parts of the system. So Apache Airflow. So this is a metadata framework that I will talk a little bit later. So that's my own set of tables separate from Apache Airflow. And this is the how the project was. So ETL. So you can see here's various data sources, including Kafka, and it bring as quickly as possible. We bring this into our database. I use Python modules for that, and here we have once database is inside the database, we use store procedures for transform and load for because it's efficient and because I know SQL better best. And okay, so then this is so what is this where we store definitions and configurations? That's a database that I created, and it's consists of several parts. So that's jobs definition that has its own logging, so we keep track of SQL scripts and store procedures here. So now the what is the so I used as I said I used Docker to run the Airflow and inside the Docker, and the I use PyCharm to run to create all the files, and I started, so you see it's running right now. So I brought the image to my system, so it's running right now within the Docker, and so these are the sample DAGs or jobs that I run. So they could be simple, they could be not so simple, and of course, and so we have. So I wanted to show you the structure. This is the single structure of the of a single job. So we have client with jobs and tasks, and the main advantage of the running job on with Airflow, it very simple. These jobs that bring data, and also they allow parallel processing for each individual task that bring data into several tables. And so I have this as an example of a simple job with DAG, and this then I created a little bit more complicated one, so that brings data in parallel, and you can see here there's several steps, and it involves two jobs, and here we bring data first job. This is the DAG from Airflow, so it brings data. First part brings data in parallel directly from the client, only extracts, and then it triggers the second part, and the second part does second part of extracts that moving data from raw tables to DBO tables, and then in parallel, all tasks bringing data in parallel. And then we move to transform part, that is also all tasks in parallel independently, and then load part is also independently. And so everything works like a charm. So that's in a nutshell my project, and thank you for listening.